this car was, man. Wow. Wow guys, bit of an update. It's been an absolute mission so far. I've managed to get one of the bushes seated and pressed into the subframe. I've got to grind a little bit more off one of the other bushes outside edge to get that to seat flat so I can press that in. Then hopefully we're all good. Man, she's been an absolute mission on the ground, man, but we're almost there. Just got to keep persevering. I'm hoping to have this done by the weekend and all back together so I can take it for a test drive, make sure everything drives fine. Still got an oil change to do and some other track day maintenance to do, so I'm running out of time, man. The pressure's on, but we're getting there. So boys, after struggling for the last couple of hours, I finally managed to get the bushes in. What an absolute mission, man, but they're in. Use this tool here, it's a bearing puller tool, pull it in. Whew, it was so hard to get them to go in square, but they're in. So, take the tool apart, put the diff back in, let's make some progress, man. She's all back together. What a mission, man. Using that bush puller was an absolute nightmare. But anyway, we got it done. Thanks to the homie Brent for lending me the tool. The car's back together and good to roll. Oh man, what a mission. But hey, it just proves what you can do. I put it all back together in one night in probably like 2 hours. So seriously, hustle. Let's get this car on the ground, man. She's ready for skids, ready for a test drive to see how she goes. Well, now it's back together. It's that time, test drive time. Man, I've been hanging out to drive this again. So fingers crossed it all goes well. Wish me luck, guys. Well, so far it feels good, guys. It feels much smoother, so I'm stoked with that. Yeah, no clunking at all, man. I'm pretty damn stoked with that. So far it sounds much smoother. We'll give it a 2-3 shift and see how we go. Better. Before it was real clunky and it just hooked in, so good result, man, good result. Alright boys, we're on high boost, 520 wheel, let's go! Woo! Woo! That is so much better, man, so much better. It just hooks, no clunks, so stoked. Alright, ready for some roll racing and some drifting, man. I'm stoked. So I was just at the gas station filling up the Mark II, and the guy behind the counter said he loved the fitment of the Mark II. I can't say as I've ever had a compliment on the fitment before, but it does run a pretty aggressive fitment, so shout out to you, dude. Made my day. Out on the test drive, guys. Let's give it a rip in second gear. Woohoo! Whoa! I forgot how fast this car was, man. Wow. Man, I'm stoked. That's so much better, man. It was an absolute mission doing those bushes, I'm not gonna lie, but I got my hands dirty, I had some fun doing it, and the smile on my face, man, when this car's ripping, it's so much fun. I'm so ready now to do a track day. I'm gonna try and do a bit of everything, man. I'm gonna try and do some drifting, some roll racing, some drag racing, circuit stuff, whatever I can get my hands into on the day, man. So look out for that content, that's the next video up. So if you like this content, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and thank you for watching my videos, man. I appreciate it.